Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is July 12th. Markets are starting off a little bit better. Now, we saw yesterday USDA giving us a big number as far as new crop corn carryout, but yet no one cared. You had the attitude was that if the market was to break, guys were looking at buying a break, and they did. Stronger close yesterday for corn. Beans closing a little bit higher as well. Overnight, though, things are pushing a little higher. We'll see what the day session brings. You've got corn now back up around this 450 area. You got beans, new crop beans around 920. We'll need to see how we continue or what kind of close do we have today. It can be very, very important. Do we continue with the follow-through we saw yesterday? The wheat market carried most of the strength yesterday, but overnight down a little bit. So keep that in mind here as we move throughout the session. We are about a month out now from the next supply and demand report. And on that report, we're going to hear what USDA's findings are from this resurvey on acreage. And that may be enough to keep this market on edge and to find a lot of stir here as we get closer to that. The trade talks between the U.S. and China, very, very quiet yet. We did have an export sale this morning of corn to Panama, but we'll see if that really matters. The weather is going to be the primary focus over the next 2 weeks. How do we go moving into pollination? What kind of temperatures are we going to have? Will it be too warm? Are we getting rain? Are we what? That will be primary focus here over the next 2 weeks as we kind of position ourselves for that. But we are at some good areas right now where producers out there, as they look out across their crops, and look out to what they've sold here as far as new crop, we need to take that opportunity at this point and maybe make some cash sales as well at these levels. If we do end up getting through pollination very well, this time of year the markets do get a little bit susceptible to more of a downside swing. So we'll see if that happens as well. But we're going to talk about all this at our conference. Our conference coming up here in just a few weeks. We're going to go through corn, beans, wheat, cattle, hogs, but we're going to break everything down for you guys and give you price projections, what to expect as we finish this crop out, and really what to look forward to as we get into harvest. And we're going to have Drew Lerner touch on the weather for you as well. Great opportunity to really dive into what's going on out there. We're going to bring you guys everything we can. So get on board, get registered, sign up here today, and we'll talk to you guys here again next week. Take care.